Welcome to Study Online Funda. This is high level quadratic equation. Those who are watching this video for the first time, please watch part 1, 2, first, then you will get this part. One of my friends asked this question. See how to solve this type of question. This is very easy question, friends. You can solve it within 20 seconds. See. First equation given is 2x square minus 4 plus root 13x plus 2 root 13 is equal to 0. How to solve this equation? As I told you in earlier parts, first of all multiply the coefficient of x square by the constant value. So by multiplying these two we will get 4 root 13. Now we have to divide this in such a way that by adding them we will get this part, and by multiplying them we will get this part. So in such type of question, directly write these values 4 and root 13. Directly write 4 and root 13. 4 and root 13. So you will get, by multiplying them you will get 4 root 13, and by adding them you will get 4 plus root 13. And we have minus sign, so we have to take negative. Now if we add them we will get this part. Now for root of the equation, x1 will be equal to what? Just reverse the sign whatever we got here, that means plus 4, and divide this by coefficient of x square. To understand this, please watch part 1, 2. So first root of this equation is 2, and second root will be, here it is negative root 13, we will take positive root 13 divided by coefficient of x square. So these are the roots of this equation. Similarly, if we have to find the root of this equation, 10y square minus 18 plus 5 root 13 y plus 9 root 13 is equal to 0. So how we will find this equation root? First of all multiply coefficient of y square by constant value. We will get what? 90 root 13. Now directly if we have to divide it by, so we will get this by adding, and if we multiply them we will get this. Directly whatever given in the bracket, write that part only, 18 and 5 root 13. And here it is negative, so we will take negative. So I hope you got this. You have to do nothing, just write whatever given in the bracket. 4, here it is given 4 root 13, we have written 4 root 13 and taken the negative sign because here it is negative. And similarly here it is 18 5 root 13, 18 5 root 13 and negative sign negative. So the root of the equation y1 will be equal to, just take reverse sign, that means plus 18 divided by 10 coefficient of y square, that means we will write it as 9 by 5. And similarly y2 will be equal to what? Y2 will be equal to 5 root 13 divided by 10, or we can say root 13 divided by 2. So we got this equation, x1 and y1 values, x2, y2 values. Now we have to compare these values. Now we have to compare these values, whether x1 is greater. So by putting x1 constant, 2, this is 9 by 5, this is y1 values. This is y2. Once put x1 constant, then put x2 constant and compare with the y values. Root 13 by 2, root 13 by 2, and here it is 9 by 5, and here it is root 13 by 2. This is x1, this is x2, this is y1, y2. So as you can see, these two are equal. Directly, and now we have to compare these values. So how we will compare these? Just directly cross multiply. 5 multiply by 2, 10. Whether 10 is greater or 9. Obviously 10 is greater, that means this value will be greater. Similarly, here we can say directly multiply these two values. Here it is 4, and as you know, root 16 is equal to 4. That means here we can write root 16. That means root 16 is greater or root 13? Root 16 obviously. So this is greater, because this will give by cross multiplication 4, and 4 can be written as root 16. So that means root 16, and here it is root 13 only. obviously root 16 will be greater. Okay, I hope you got this. And similarly this part, you have to find the root value. Okay, what is the root 13? Root 13 is almost 3.6 something, 3.6 something. Okay, and this will be 9 by 5. Okay, so almost this will be greater, because 3.6, 9 by 5 will be how much? This is 1 ja 5, 4, 1.8, and 3.6 something, that means 3.6 by 2, that means this is also 1.8. So this is almost equal, so we can take it as equal. Okay, so by comparing these equation, what we will get? X is greater than y, or second, x is equal to y. This is case. That means overall what we will get? X is greater than equal to y. This is the solution of this quadratic equation. I hope you got this. I hope you got this. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. And also we have a Facebook group, Study Online. I will provide the link of this group in description box of this video. Please join that group. Okay, and if you have any doubt, ask me in comment box. Thank you very much.